What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on Numeraire, which has pumped up 30%, not in the last 24 hours, but I would say in the last 4 to 5 hours it's had a major increase in value. As you can see, hitting nearly $20. Right now it has taken a little dip and currently fluctuating around $19.30. So we're going to be going through, is it time to buy? Is it too late? Is it time to sell if you are on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it? We're covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how far this crypto can go. And going into 2023, is this a crypto that you must have in your wallet? So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website, which is showing us that the market has been up just about a percentage over the last 24 hours, nothing major. And Numeraire has managed to gain the second top gainers list spot. And as you guys can see here, if I go zoom in a little bit into the hourly chart, it has taken a slight dip in the last hour, 5% down. Over the last day, 30% up. It did even hit about, let's have a look, 40% about an hour to 2 hours ago, when it pumped up literally from about $14 all the way up to, let's have a look, over $20. Over the week it is up 28%, and over the month is up 10%. We can see it slowly dropping in value for most of September, and right now it has pumped up in value like crazy, but I am expecting it to take a little dip over the coming hours, but we'll get into that shortly. So if I go into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 1,700% up in the last 24 hours, making it $65 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Numeraire. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it has been getting a lot of attention over the last couple of hours. And as you guys can clearly see, we've got way more investors than sellers. We've got a lot of people investing into the crypto, 85% buy against 15% sell. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Numeraire, which at the moment is here in purple, $15.47. However, we can see it trading at a much higher value at $18.97, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on the crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line and the orange line looking very, very steep, going in a bullish direction, looking very positive, meaning an overall increase in value is what is meant to take place. However, it's looking very steep, that is not realistic at all. And again, as I've mentioned this plenty of times in my previous videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what we've seen here, a massive green candlestick in a space of about half an hour, then popped up so much, again, it is not sustainable. It's very likely it's going to take a little step back. It's going to take a little breather. So what I'm expecting is an overall minimal drop in value over the coming hours. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting the crypto to drop below the $17 mark. Again, don't get me wrong, in between that time it's likely to be volatile. We are going to see a pump up in value, likely to go above the $20 mark as well, and then dropping below the $18 mark as well. It's going to be up and down. It's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome is what I'm talking about. Over the next couple of hours, over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting an overall drop in value on Numeraire. So do expect it to drop below the $17 mark towards the end of the day today. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, again, exact same, guys, is looking very steep, which is again not really realistic. So what I am expecting is once again an overall drop in value over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting the crypto to drop below the $16 mark, more or less fluctuating around $15 and $15.50 is what I'm expecting by mid next week. Again, in between that time, we are going to see green days, we are going to see red days, going to be volatile, but the overall outcome over the next 7 to 8 days seems to slightly be more on the negative side. So do expect quite of a drop over the coming days. I'm not expecting any major pumps or anything like that as of yet anyway. However, if I am, then I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Unfortunately, guys, we are still looking very bullish, going in a positive direction, and is looking quite steep as well. And again, the exact same reason applies here. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines is because of the major green candlestick that appeared over the last few hours. The graph thinks it's still going to be pumping up in value and so on, but we can see it consistently dropping in value since about a year ago. So September 2021, over a year ago, as you can see, it was fluctuating around $70, $60, and yeah, ever since then it's been doing nothing but dropping in value. Yes, we have seen a peak here when it was this about 2-3 months ago, and then it's dropped back down in value. And more or less, I'm expecting the crypto to be trading between $15 and $20 over the next few weeks. So let's say by mid-November to late November, we should be expecting the crypto to trade around $16 to $17. I'm not expecting any major increases or major drops from this crypto. However, it all depends on how the crypto market performs, and especially how Bitcoin performs, guys. If we do see Bitcoin dropping to 10-15k, then we are going to see major drops on the whole crypto market, not just Numeraire. And if Bitcoin does decide to pump up to about 30-35k, then we are going to see major increases in value on the whole crypto market. But as I mentioned earlier, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on those stuff. But yeah, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. And unfortunately, guys, I'm expecting, we are trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit $27, which I'm not expecting from Numenaire anytime soon. So very likely for the rest of this year, it's very likely that we are going to be trading in the red zone. But that doesn't matter, as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction, we should be good to go. But yeah, so far so good, guys. Hopefully we should be able to gain minimal gains in value over the coming hours. But yeah, not coming hours, sorry, coming weeks. And yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just a quick one on Numeraire. I hope you enjoyed the video. What I want you guys to do is comment down below what your predictions are on this crypto. Can it hit $40? Can it hit $50? I've seen a lot of comments. I'm not expecting Numeraire to hit the $50 mark anytime soon, so that's out of the question. We're gonna have to aim for $30, and even that is a push. I'm not expecting it to hit $30 anytime this year. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit the 100k subscriber target by the end of the year. And yeah, that is pretty much it, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.